What's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be talking about boudoir. I'm going to give you tips on how to pose, how to light, and just different angles that you can use to really get the most out of your boudoir shoots. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video and get started. Now, one of the first tips I want to give you, and that a lot of people seem to forget just because when you're on set, it's, always the simplest things that you just tend to forget. One of them is going to be taking detailed shots. This can really help you tell the story you're trying to tell with the entire set of images, and also provide a really good variety of images that you can deliver to your client. This can come in all shapes and sizes. It could be details of a ring that they're wearing, or different body parts and different angles. And I mean, here are a couple of examples to kind of give you an idea. But all in all, do not forget to take detailed shots. They really do help you fill the gaps when it comes to telling the story of the images that you're taking for that set. Now, let's talk about angles for a second. This is extremely important because generally your angles are going to really determine how flattering your subject is going to look. So it's extremely important you have these nailed and know exactly how to pose your model before you get to the shoot. There's a lot of sites out there like Pinterest and Instagram that you can sift through to get ideas on posing and angles. However, with boudoir, one constant that you will see among a ton of sets of images is going to be from a top-down angle. And what I mean by that is, actually, here's a quick example to give you an idea as well. But you are going to want to be at a little bit higher of an angle than they are. This can be in the form of you using a step stool while they're on something lower like a bed, and basically getting the image from an angle that elongates their body, slims it out, and makes it more flattering. Another constant that you'll see in a lot of boudoir images is soft light. This is really important because, like I said in the last tip, it really does help flatter your subject. It can give them really nice even skin tone and remove a lot of blemishes as well, simply because the light is a lot softer on the skin, giving a much more pleasing look. So to achieve this, you could do it quite a number of ways. However, you would want to use typically a very large light modifier. This can be something like posing the model near a window with the curtain in front of it. That'll help diffuse the light and provide a massively large source of light, however getting it really diffused and making it really, really soft and a beautiful quality of light for these types of images. So we talked about light, now let's talk about shadows. Don't be afraid of shadows. You can use them to your advantage. You can get some really cool dramatic looks just like this if you use them properly, and can actually help enhance the body shape of the subject you are shooting. Now I want to leave you with this one last tip, and that is be candid and have fun. It's okay to crack a joke and capture some images of your subject laughing or smiling. This does not need to be a very serious event. In fact, a lot of the times, I bet you most of the best images that you'll capture will be because they're candid, and generally that's what the subjects love the most as well, when you just capture them in that moment, smiling, laughing, and just having a good time. And guys, that is gonna wrap up this video here. Hope you learned some tips and tricks that you can use the next time you go out and shoot some boudoir photos. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you're not already subscribed, consider doing so, as we have new content coming out for you every single week. Now with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.